Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Fosak TV USA. Here is the breaking news from USA. Parts of the US East Coast have been battered by blizzard conditions and heavy snowfall, sparking transport chaos and power cuts for thousands. Five states declared an emergency hours before piles of snow and high winds blasted the area on Saturday. Some areas of Massachusetts have seen as much as 2.5 feet of snow, with locals told to hunker down inside. Nearly 6,000 US flights were cancelled across the weekend, with conditions expected to lighten on Sunday. Forecasters warned cold temperatures will remain a problem throughout much of the Northeast, with the snowstorm set to move onto the state of Maine. The storm, known as Nor'easter, has hit parts of Newark and Massachusetts with heavy snowfall, coastal flooding, and blizzard conditions. The city of Boston got to the city of Boston got 23.6 inch of snow on Saturday, matching a previous one-day record. By Saturday night, more than 80,000 homes in the states of Massachusetts were still without electricity. Cape Cold was one of the worst hit regions, with every customer in the town of Provincetown losing power on Saturday. Coastal storm surge flooding was also reported in Nantucket. Local meteorologist Matthew Capozzi told the reporter the sheer volume of snow was problem, with 8 to 10 centimeters of snow falling each hour at one point. No road crew in the world could handle this, and that means all the roadways are essentially shut down. The National Weather Service confirmed on Saturday that the storm had undergone bombogenesis, meaning that colder air mixed with warmer sea air, leading to a swift drop of atmospheric pressure. The process leads to a so-called bomb cyclone. The NWAs in Boston warned that people should only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The powerful storm began to hit the country's coast in the early hours of Saturday morning, with millions of residents urged to stay home across much of the weekend. Parts of the New York state saw 2 feet of snow, with workers struggling to manage thick blankets covering popular New York City tourist spots like Times Square. A blizzard warning was issued throughout the Northeast, the first time such an alert has been issued since 2018. Some 75 million people are in the path of the storm. The governors of New York, New Jersey, Maryland, Rhode Island, and Virginia declared states of emergency, telling residents to stay off the roads for their own safety. It is high wind, heavy snow, blizzard condition, all the elements of a classic nor'easter. New York Governor Kathy Hochul said on Saturday she wanted that freezing temperatures would continue to cause problems after the snow had stopped. Police in the New Jersey Atlantic City pleaded with residents not to make it harder on our first responders by venturing out, while Governor Phil Murphy said that the state's famous shoreline is getting clobbered by the storm. In the Connecticut, bus operations have been suspended until Sunday, while Rhode Island Governor Dan McKee has announced the closure of several bridges due to dangerous conditions. Despite the warning, some people were determined to enjoy themselves in the snow. In New York City, children played on streets in Central Park, and a snowfall fight broke out in Washington Square Park. Florida, usually known for its mild winters, is also expected to see some of its coldest temperature in years, which could lead to agonize a cold-blooded lizard species to become immobilized to fall out of trees. Beyond the effort, perspective USA.